Hello. Now we're going home. But still
Thank you,
passing through
Lord, for the
beautiful
gift of this day.
nature.
I'm so happy. It's a happy feast day. Happy Saint Our Lady of the Rosary pala.
And a happy birthday, of course, to Sister
Hi.
Rose.
Thank you, Sir Tessa, for accompanying me. You're really a gift from the Lord. Tomorrow again, we're going to Father. Yabang natin to sa kanya, Father. Look at our
Yeah.
picture.
Beautiful. There are around 80 varieties of
Are you sure it's only 80?
bougainvillea.
I think it's more than.
They said, the man
80?
said 80.
Okay.
About 80.
So they are the one who cares for it, so we have to believe.
Yeah. Yellow, orange, white, red, pink.
Some of those
Purple.
variety are, we have it
Yes.
in Mother Francisca.
Before we only have Mr. and Miss, the red and white. Now this one is red, orange, pink, yellow, purple, white. Look at this. This is the one, the original
Oo.
Mr. and Miss.
The original na, ano,
Pink and white.
oo.
This is nice color. Like salmon.
Hello guard, napakaganda naman ng kaharian mo. Puno ka ng mga bulaklak. So, na-enjoy mo man siya. Ha? Nag-enjoy ka? Oo, ganda no? Saan na tayo dyan? Bato doon? Parang doon. Dito tayo? Oh, sige, okay. Nakalimutan ko na. Thank you.
Thank you. Ano nga ito? Flor de Luna? The Flor de Luna.
Balik tayo ulit doon sa ating ano, dinaanan kasi gabi na eh. Tingnan natin. Sumagot na si Buyet. Okay daw. Mag-antay na yun siya sa gate. Ganda! Ang ganda, ganda.
Sarado na siguro.
Hindi. Kasi mamayang gabi pa ang iba. At saka ano ba ngayong araw?
Tuesday.
Working days. Weekend sila. Maano dito, di ba? Yoho!
We are
Kaganda-ganda.
back in the clouds. The clouds. Look at that. That is Sarangani Bay.
Baba na
Thank
tayo.
you, Lord. Thank you, Sister Rose. Happy
Thank
birthday.
you. Happy feast day. Happy birthday to me.
Birthday.
Happy feast day, Sir Tessa.
Yes.
Happy, ano, pangalan
Lady of the
natin?
Rosary.
Feast day of Our Lady of the Rosary. Ayan. Meron silang ano. So, this is where we pass by. Mag-umpisa ka sa makitid na daan papunta sa langit. Di ba? Dito ka nag-umpisa pa, yung palang ending doon, langit. Dito na tayo dadaan. Kasi palabas na tayo. Saan ka? Yet? Sir Tessa? Tara. Dito tayo, oh. Yeah, talika. Sama ka dito. May pangalan Sarangani, oh. Yan. Okay. Okay. Tara. Ano na? 4 pa lang. Gawin natin tayo. Okay. 5, 5 minutes. Hindi, doon sa aking anak. O, anak ang sumakay.
May atas tayo.
Dali na.